What's up, everybody? I'm Oli Moss. This is Oli's Images. This is my house slash office slash where all the magic happens, except for the magic that happens in the booth and next to the arena and all those things. So roll that intro and let's get started. Welcome inside. So I want to show you around a little bit while we're in here. You came through the front door just to give you a little perspective, or I guess, or orientation of where you're at. And now you're in our living room slash kitchen slash movie room. We do it all in this space here. So you can see right here we have the double bowl sinks and this big sink with a little deal that comes out. Not really sure what that's for because I don't do the dishes, let's be real. And got a couple of bar stools here. That's pretty nice. And if you look over here on this side, this is where Brenna and I do all the work. So Brenna's got her little iMac here. We call it Mini. And here is my big one here, my 27-inch iMac, a couple of hard drives, that sort of thing. And then right down here, you'll see we have a little Joby and this little tripod here for clipping our phones into, and we usually have swap mics back and forth, but that way we can go Facebook Live and talk to you guys there, or Instagram stories, or whatever we need to. And then once all that work's done, usually takes 30 minutes or an hour maybe on an occasional day. No, I work more than that, let's be real, but Brenna works way more than that. I, however, move from there all the way over to this fine little chair right here. And this is really my movie, theater seating here. This is where I'll go and turn the lights on here, might turn on the massage here, might turn on some heat in those chilly Arizona evenings, you know, when it's really cold. But it's not cold where we're at. And then these also, if you pull this little deal right here, kicks way, 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 way back. So we can totally chill and relax and watch movies on this big old TV. Alright, so let's get off this couch and keep going on this room tour we're doing, studio tour, whatever you want to call it. So here to this TV, next, this thing pops off this wall here like this and swivels both directions, which is nice. So we can keep it the nice perpendicular, parallel, not perpendicular. Alright, so we get done watching a movie and we're hungry. Maybe we ate before, or maybe we went to the pantry and grabbed some popcorn and made that for movie time. There's even lights in there, there's lights everywhere, all over this joint. So, those, and I made these myself with my little Cricut machine. And Brenda's favorite part of this whole joint, this whole place, is my little oven here. And these light up really pretty. Got a nice little grill top thing, stove top. Nice big microwave, stainless steel, pretty sweet. And then all the glory of the fridge. Look, it's like we're adults in here. There's really food in here. And not much junk. Imagine that. And then big double freezer to kind of keep us fed. And I actually have ice trays. I never had that in any of my other trailers. So pretty sweet deal. Moving on, wrapping back around, we're almost back to the door where you came in. We got these big cabinets here where we have coffee pot, that sort of thing, tea kettle, instant pot, all the necessities. And then some miscellaneous stuff, junk drawer, shoes kind of go in here. I won't show you those, won't bore you with those details. Charging station kind of is here. We've got some power up under here, power up under here, and then some of the USB plugins that are already came with the trailer that way. So I really like that. Keep these devices good and charged. Right here is this is the CD player, DVD player, all that stuff. This little guy is my favorite knob. It controls the bass. So we got a big old sub behind the couch and keep this thing thumping with that Rockford Fosgate system. So if you come this way, a little bit further, right when you first come in the door, we didn't show you this, but under the key rack here, you touch this little guy, and gross. But we got our leveling system, our generator, our awnings, which we never use, the lighting, so we can do, like right now, they're all on here. We got accent lighting, inside lighting, outside lighting, all good. Monitor panel and slide out, so we can control basically the whole trailer with this little touchscreen. And this little guy also came with an app for our iPhone, probably for Android too, but we're both iPhone users, so that's ideal. We can just stand outside the trailer and watch the slides go out and make sure we're not going to hit anything. Pretty sweet. Action. Just kidding. All right, show you just real quick in here, just the bedroom, no big deal, right? But real brief, this is like why I bought this trailer, really, because I wanted this bed to push out on the slide out, so we can have this whole thing to be the closet. And then we got a little dresser drawers right here. There's some storage and a bookshelf over here, and a little TV that I never use, some windows that are really great. I got my calendar on the door, behind the door, so you can see, I can see whenever I come in and out, or whatever, like what I got going on next. Like, you know, room tour video coming up next, right? So that's that. Let's scoot back out of this, and quick peek into the bathroom here. I won't go in there because I'll just take up the whole space, but basically, you know, sink, shower, all the good stuff. So pretty nice little bathroom. A little smaller than my first bathroom I had, but bigger than the last one. So we're kind of, you know, give and take a little bit for everything, right? Okay, let's move on to the garage, and I'll take you out there next because I know that that is what we're all waiting to see. Okay, so we have all of these cases, and these are full of the camera gear that we use at the booth. We have all the booth supplies. We've got all the knickknacks and stuff that we're going to need to come in and shoot an event. So if it's not in that pass-through storage, which we'll show you outside here in a little bit, then it's in one of these totes probably. You'll see, like, I got that big Yeti cooler there that I got from Cami. Thank you, Cami. Appreciate it. Got a couple of printers, a bunch of tables, 4 TVs. I mean, you've seen most of the stuff set up in the booth. We got power. We just acquired this wagon. Been really helpful to have just like a nice little wagon to just roll stuff. Some of this crap's real heavy, you know? And then this is that other door I was telling you about. This just leads right back outside. And the 2 beds that you see up here, if you look up above, you'll see that we've got a queen bed on top. That's just like a solid, nice queen bed. And I've got memory foam up there, 2 layers of memory foam. The one you see rolled, I haven't cut yet. I cut it to fit. And then this other one is also a queen bed, but it also will make into like 2 couches that face each other. So they call that like the Happy Jack system. And then if you spin around, so trade me places here. Okay, so we traded places, spun around. This is just facing the other way. This door here is behind the cabinet, like the pantry on the other side, and the TV. So it kind of makes like a little shape. And then if you come in here, this is the guest bathroom. So I'll let you take a peek in there. And it's kind of like also storage because we don't use it very often. So guests, storage. These are my light reflectors here, and the most recent mod that we've done to this trailer is we put the ladders up here. Super nice. We use these little quick fists, and they just grab so tight. So that's about it. It's the basics. Gave you the run through of the inside. Now, let's go out to the outside and I'll show you around just a couple more things and then we'll be done. All right, so now that we're out here, you saw the inside. I want to show you the outside real quick. First of all, this big pass-through storage, this big door. Oh, that's my favorite. Those little magnets up there, so much easier than the old bulky like jacking around with the. Anyway, in here we've got a lot of my stuff. We've got a lot of the stuff for the booth is mostly what's going on here. So we've got my chair that I sit in all the time. We've got all the light stands to hold up my lights if I need those, if I can't clamp them somewhere. We've got background stands, we've got chairs for you guys to sit in when you come and look at your beautiful photos by me. We've got some lawn chairs, you know, because like occasionally, like once a year at least, we do have some like relax, like 30 minutes. We sit in the lawn chairs. And you know what, there's just a bunch of other junk in here that you'll just love to see. Let me show it to you. All right, take a look under here. So here we've got my Onan generator, the little propane for this heater, this little gas buddy. When it gets cold and I need to shoot and I don't have like electricity next to me to run a little electric heater. So this is just basically some storage. We've got some fans, like some miscellaneous stuff. Alright everybody, that's basically my house tour, office tour, the tour, you might say. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.